Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining. In this video, I will walk you through the installation and initial setup flow of the No Contact Delivery app by Mageworx. Let's get started. To download the app, you need to click Add App button on the app listing. Let's do that. Okay, here we are. We were redirected to the authentication handshake page. Here you can review the permissions the app requests to be able to function at your store. After you review the permissions, you can either cancel the request or proceed and grant access and install the app. To proceed, you need to click Install App button. So here we are. We were redirected to the app admin page after you granted permissions. The app comes with automatic installation, so there is no need for you to integrate any code into your theme manually. You just need to enable the app here. But before you do this, you can review the settings the app offers. The app is cart-based. I mean, its widget shows up and is integrated into the cart page. But you can also enable a label that will notify your clients that such an option as no contact delivery is available on product pages. To do this, you need to enable this checkbox, display no contact delivery on product pages. If you decide to enable it, you can modify or translate the text of the label. This can be done here. Also, you can add a description to explain your customers what exactly the no contact delivery means and how you carry it out. Okay, let's move on to the next block. It's cart page settings. Here you also can modify or translate the label of the toggle. It can be done here. Also, you can add a description the same way as we did here. Also, you can decide whether the no contact delivery toggle should be enabled or disabled by default. If you select that checkbox select by default, the no contact delivery option will be preselected by default when your users visits the cart page for the first time. Okay, and final step, you can enable an additional field on the cart page. It will show up below the no contact delivery toggle, and it allows you to add a comment field where your customers can add some descriptions, some instructions on how to deliver their orders. And of course, you can modify or translate the text of this comment field block if you enable it. So after you reviewed all those settings and adjusted them in accordance with your needs, you need to enable the app, click Enable button and save the settings. Okay, here we are, but before testing, please make sure you enabled the app extension in the theme settings. Okay, let's do that. We need to return to Shopify admin panel, select online store, click Customize Theme, and visit the App Embeds section. Here we need to enable the toggle next to No Contact Delivery app and save the settings. That's it. After that, you can go ahead and test the app on the front end. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.